Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I prepared the super easy and tasty Lotus Biscoff cheesecake. Initially, 20 grams of gelatin powder are mixed with 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and kept aside for blooming. Next, into a blender is added 560 gram of Lotus biscuits, which are then powdered into a coarse consistency. These are then mixed with 3 tablespoons of melted butter and later they are leveled into a tray and kept into the refrigerator. .350 gram of cream cheese is whipped, and to enhance the flavor 2 tablespoons of Lotus Biscoff spread are also added into the cream cheese. Next, 500 ml of whipping cream is beaten until stiff peaks are formed. 1 tablespoon of the cream cheese mix is blended with the gelatin, which was previously double boiled and kept ready for use. It is then mixed well with the cream cheese. The whipping cream is also combined with the cream cheese and the final mix is poured over the biscuit layer and leveled well. For some decoration, the whipping cream is shaped into florets and altered with lotus biscuits. The cheesecake is then kept in the ref and taken out when needed. So here goes the smooth and tasty cream cheesecake. You can make it with different flavors like mango or even berries, etc. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll meet you again in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.